Alright guys, this is a 2007 Honda Pilot 4-wheel drive. Tools you're going to need today are sockets 19, 15, 24, 12, 18, and a 22mm wrench. I ordered the parts from Amazon, and this is all it is. This is the front passenger struts, and this is the one I really need to change. After a little incident, this is actually bent. Might not look like it, but definitely when you drive it, you can tell. This is a 4-wheel drive, so I drive it like a Honda 4-wheel drive should be driven. So I can see. So here are both struts, the old and the new. The one on the left is the old one. Still pretty new. This is the one we ordered from Amazon. Looks like it's gonna be slightly taller. I don't know, maybe you guys can see the difference. But half an inch, but I do believe the new ones were specifically for a 4-wheel drive, which should make a difference. Well folks, there you have it. Right front strut installed, ready to go. The old one's still right there. Again, this is for a 2007 Honda Pilot 4-wheel drive. Hope this video helps out, and leave your comments below.